No experience, no followers, no website, just AI tools. I built a fully automated passive income stream using nothing but artificial intelligence, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a designer, and you definitely don't need to be famous on social media. All you need is an idea, and a few powerful AI tools I'm about to reveal. So if you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, without quitting your job, stick around. This could be the turning point for you. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Or if this is your first time here, I'm George, and I show people how to use smart tools to build smarter lives. Today's video is a full breakdown of how I created a passive income stream using ChatGPT, Notion, Gumroad, and a sprinkle of YouTube shorts, all without hiring anyone, without spending a dime on ads, and without having an audience. We're going to walk through how I used ChatGPT to create a valuable digital product in under 2 hours, how I organized everything neatly with Notion, no design skills needed, how I uploaded it to Gumroad and started selling, and finally how I used short-form content to drive traffic for free. Let's dive into the pain point first, because I know you've felt it too. We've all seen those videos. Make $10,000 a month with passive income. I made $300 while drinking coffee. But every time you watch one, the same question hits you. Where do I even start? Some say invest in real estate, others say start a blog, do affiliate marketing, or build an app, but let's be real. You're already working 9 to 5, you've got family, bills, responsibilities. And the idea of learning design, marketing, sales, SEO, copywriting, and web development, it's overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to shortcut all of that, using AI? Let's start with the first tool that changed everything for me. ChatGPT. The biggest myth about passive income, that it starts with money. Wrong, it starts with value. You have to offer something that helps people. And that something can be an ebook, a checklist, a Notion template, a script, a tutorial, anything that solves a problem. Now here's the cool part. You don't have to write that value from scratch. ChatGPT can do 80% of the heavy lifting. Let me show you exactly what I did. I started by asking ChatGPT, what are 10 things busy entrepreneurs struggle with daily? It gave me a solid list. Time management, content creation, productivity, burnout, and so on. Then I went deeper. Create a detailed outline for a Notion productivity system for busy entrepreneurs. Boom! ChatGPT gave me a full outline with sections like daily task planner, weekly goals tracker, habit builder, content calendar. Perfect, that's my product. I asked ChatGPT to generate text and descriptions for each section, added a few touches of my own, and in under 2 hours I had the content for a digital product. No writing, no overthinking, just results. But raw content isn't enough. You need to package it. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a designer. Neither am I. That's why I used Notion. If you've never used Notion before, it's like Google Docs meets Trello, a flexible workspace where you can build beautiful pages without knowing a single line of code. And guess what? You can sell Notion pages as digital products. So I took the content from ChatGPT and copied it into Notion. I structured it with headings, toggle lists, tables, emojis for visual flavor. That's it. Then I clicked share, enabled the public link, and boom! I had a fully functional productivity system that anyone could duplicate into their own Notion account. Value, check. Packaging, check. Time to make it viable. Here's where the money starts. I went to Gumroad.com, which is hands down the easiest platform to sell digital products, no upfront fees, no complicated setup. I created an account, clicked new product, and uploaded the public Notion link. I added a title, Ultimate Productivity System for Entrepreneurs, a short benefit-driven description, a price, $9. Then I used Canva to design a simple product cover. Nothing fancy, just a clean image with the title and a few icons. And just like that, my digital product was live. I now had something valuable, packaged professionally, and available for purchase 24/7. But having a product isn't enough. You need eyes on it. Let's talk about promotion. You know how people say, the money is in the traffic? Well, yeah, that's true. But don't worry, I didn't spend a cent on ads. Instead, I used YouTube Shorts, 30 to 60-second videos that are blowing up right now. And you don't need to show your face. I didn't. Here's exactly what I did. I wrote a script using ChatGPT. Write me a 30-second YouTube short script that hooks viewers with a productivity problem and pitches a Notion solution. It gave me something like, tired of feeling overwhelmed every day? I built a Notion system that organizes your tasks, tracks your goals, and even helps you avoid burnout. Best part, it's just $9. Link in bio. I used Pictory.ai and CapCut to turn that into a video, added stock footage, captions, some upbeat music, uploaded it, and within 48 hours, I made my first sale. Then I posted another one, and another, each one targeting a different problem my product solves. Can't stay consistent, burned out, too many tabs open. Each video linked back to my Gumroad page, and slowly but surely, it added up. Let me be 100% honest with you, I didn't make $10,000 in a week, but I made $9, then $18, then $27, and now, I wake up to emails that say, "You've received a payment," every day. And the best part? I don't have to do anything else. The system is already running. I built it once, and now it works for me on autopilot. So why does this strategy actually work? Here's the secret. You're solving real problems, using tools that automate the hard stuff, and platforms that already have demand. People are already searching for productivity tools, digital planners, AI hacks. You're just showing up with a solution. Fast. That's the power of this model. Let me give you a few more examples of what you can create. Using this exact same method. AI-generated workout plans, journaling templates, freelance pricing calculators, Instagram content calendars, budget planners for students, niche ebooks, how to start a YouTube channel in 30 days, resume templates plus ChatGPT prompts for job seekers, daily writing prompts for creators. The possibilities are endless, and you can make each one in a day or less with ChatGPT and Notion. What if I don't have any skills? You don't need them. You need curiosity. ChatGPT fills in the rest. Do I need followers? Nope. My first sale came from a YouTube short with 300 views. Is this passive or just another side hustle? It starts active. But once your product is up and your videos are posted, it becomes passive. You can rinse and repeat with more products to scale. What if no one buys it? That's part of the game. Learn, adjust, improve the product, improve the pitch. You're one product away from something that works. AI is not coming. It's here. And it's leveling the playing field for anyone who's ready to take action. You don't need money, connections, or years of experience. You need an idea and the willingness to try. This method is real. It works. And the sooner you start, the sooner you build your first digital asset. Something that can earn you money while you sleep. Start with one product. Make it simple. Use the tools I showed you. ChatGPT, Notion, Gumroad, and YouTube Shorts. And if you're serious about turning this into a real income stream, check the links below. I've added templates, tools, and resources to help you go even faster. Grab the Notion Productivity System template and customize it yourself. Subscribe if you want more AI and income content just like this. This was George. And now, it's your turn. Don't just watch others win. Build your own stream. I'll see you in the next one.